Okay, we're over here at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to inequality 6.1, 6.2. That's what we're doing. So we're finding the solution set of these crazy looking things. They're getting a little bit more complicated, aren't they? Alright, so we have 10x is less than or equal to 14 times 12x minus 20. So remember, we're trying to isolate x because he's been a bad boy. Right. Or maybe we'll say that's the x and she's been a bad girl. Whatever you want to do. Alright, so let's go ahead and distribute this 14 across the x. You know, maybe this is the reason why divorces are really up. People are just solving for x a lot in their life. I don't know. The possibility, I guess. I don't know why I put a parentheses there, but I did. Could we blame failed relationships on mathematics? It's a conspiracy going on out there. It's a possibility, I suppose. 14 times 12, we all know what that is, 168. Should know that in our sleep. $168x minus, and of course 14 times 20. Heck, we all know what that is. That's 280, right? 280. Alright, let's look at this. 10. Oh, 10's smaller than 168. So let's take this over to the right hand side, and when we do, because it's positive, we take it over and it becomes negative. Well, while we're at it, let's go ahead and take that over to this side. Let's do that. And so we end up with, oh man, we end up with some issues here. I can see it already. Yeah. Alright, let's, ooh, don't hit that. I about cleared the problem out. That wouldn't have been good. Okay, draw black there, okay. So we end up with 280 is less than or equal to 168x minus 10x. Alright, so we got 280 is less than or equal to 158. I think I can do that one in my head. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Now it's time to multiply both sides by 1 over 158. Alright, we've got to get this guy, get rid of that guy somehow. So 1 over 158 to both sides. So now we're left with, I guess what we can do here is go ahead and simplify that down. Sounds like a good idea. And it looks to me like 2 is the only thing that goes into both those guys. So this is going to end up being 140 over 79 is less than or equal to x. And of course I've been writing it in the standard form where x, or I'm calling it a standard form. X is actually greater than or equal to 140 over 79. And we've been writing the interval notation. Let's put 0 here, and we'll just say 140 over 79 is right here on the number line. Since there's really not a scale, what do we need to do? Let's get some red here. So we're including the number. Alright, so let's put a solid dot. X is greater than or equal to. So everything greater than or equal to it. Alright. ahead and do this in interval notation. So we're going to put a bracket here, 140 over 79, and then to infinity. There you go. All right. 5 minutes on this problem. My God. X is greater than or equal to 140 over 79. All right, looks good. Okay. So we're over here at gotomath.com. Come on by, check it out, practice. See you later.